Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So today in this video lecture I am going to discuss about Shakespeare's Sister written by Virginia Woolf, and this particular topic is there in second semester English past syllabus. So this video lecture will going to be very much important for the students of second semester English pass. Today I thought to give you a note regarding this topic because it will be much easier for you to understand the whole subject matter of this prose, and especially the answer is designed in such a manner that if any question comes from this topic you can write it down, and it is much relevant with the whole subject matter. Okay, and today I will dictate the answer, and you can pause the video and write it down if you like. Okay, so I'm just starting here. And the question is, critically discuss the feminist idea contained in Virginia Woolf's Shakespeare's Sister, or attempt a critical appreciation of Virginia Woolf's essay Shakespeare's Sisters, or critically examine Virginia Woolf as an essayist with particular references to Shakespeare's Sister. Okay, and the answer starts here. Virginia Woolf is a great literary figure of the modernist world. With her multidimensional skills, techniques, and thoughts, she has brought about radical change in the field of literary activities and temperament. Especially in the case of feminist thoughts and expressions, she uses a kind of technique in her works known as stream of consciousness technique. Although the essay entitled Shakespeare's Sister is not preoccupied with stream of consciousness technique. The essay is a grim revelation about the fate of women in a male dominated world. At the time, the essay highlights the grim consequences of the suppression of genius and talent. Virginia Woolf, the great champion for the cause of women, transports us to a world of imagination and creates Shakespeare's fictitious sister Judith, who ultimately committed suicide for the want of support in the field of literary creations. Woolf is considered as one of the greatest feminist writers of the world. Her feminine criticism contributes greatly to the growth and expansion of feminist sense and sensibility. She hoped to remove the social disparity with the help of her essays A Room of One's Own and Three Guineas, are regarded as the Old and the New Testament of the feminist Bible. A Room of One's Own is a series of lectures Virginia Woolf delivered on women and literature. She coins the idea of Shakespeare's sister and considers the problem she would have faced. If she has decided to become a writer, it is a sparkling critical maybe spelling mistakes, if there is any spelling mistake you just make it correct. Okay, sparkling critical wide ranging exposure of privileged male privileged society, it would be society of which a woman he excluded from cultural life. The essay emotionally expresses the frustration of women writers that they have felt throughout the ages. In the past, women had no schooling. Recognition of scholars by the men was unthinkable. Woolf creates Shakespeare's sister, a woman who would have the same creativity and ambition like Shakespeare, but would obviously lack the support of the public and society that was even to Shakespeare. Shakespeare's sister could not have the courage to write her work, for her family would not allow her schooling provided to Shakespeare. Most possibly she would have run accuracy. Possibly she would run away from home into her attempt to find her creative outlet in the real world with no no taker no taker in this male centric world. In the circumstances on social in these circumstances on social obligations, she would eventually kill herself in frustration because the society biased attitude against the females. Such a creative writer is refrained by society from writing even a single play or a poem. Virginia Woolf, through this essay, challenges the patriarchal paradigm and in the process revolutionizing society and directing the world to a fairer and just place. Repressed genius is a dangerous elixir, and elixir means element, okay, and Shakespeare's sister eventual suicide is the proof to this effect. It was also made clear in the suicide note edited by her. Throughout this essay, Woolf has revolted against the patriarchal dominance in our society. She is certain that Shakespeare's sister could never have been Shakespeare if she has possessed more potentiality even than Shakespeare. Woman who was born with a gift of poetry in 16th century was an unhappy woman. All the conditions of her life, all her own instincts were hostile to the state of her mind, which was needed to set free. With the help of her essay, Virginia Woolf struggles for survival of women's right with equality and justice in a male dominated society. Thank you.